This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are now at Tesla Ski in Norway, and today we're going to check out the new, brand spanking new Tesla Model Y Performance. So we have a different setup today because Pavel is actually filming for me right now. So also Pavel has the Juniper. You guys have seen it, right? He has a Juniper. It's gray, it's regular, but he has a white interior. Very similar to this car. So he knows what it should be, and we can also check out the differences. So let's go for the external first. Here you have a new, this here. It's now blank lip, front lip, and also, what was this again? Here, right, Pavel? It's different on your car. Yeah, so here it's also slightly different. Other than that, I think it's more or less the same, right? They have a different front, and also these rims are new, 255, 35, 21. There is some plastic here. You can take them out, and actually they don't leave a big scar after you've taken out the in, but that's plastic, and this is metal. And then that's also plastic, so Tesla, they try to keep the weight low. And they also have big fat red caliper. Finally, Tesla has proper brakes. Well, okay, so there, and also, I don't know if you can see it here, Pavel, if you try to poke into under, well, there is some improved suspension, similar to Model 3. So we have, I'm not sure if they call it CDC or something, but I can show you in the screen. You can change the way the suspension work, and it's supposed to be actively controlled now. You know, like CDC, right, or DCC or whatever they call it. But here, this is also new. It's black now. How is it in your car, Pavel?
It's the paint.
Oh, okay, it's the same as the paint color. So it's black. So if you see this, it means that it's performance. But here, okay, when you open it, voila! I don't know if the camera can catch it or not. Oh! And then we can take the external first. So we have this big, nice spoiler here, and it's real carbon fiber. Oh! And it has a little, like a little bend over here. I'm not sure if you get it in the camera, Pavel. And then back here, okay, you want to see the back here. This is rear diffuser. I mean, it looks like there is space for some exhaust here, but it isn't. But if you go a little bit under, you can see that it extends slightly under there to probably improve some high-speed stability. It's not that long. I mean, it doesn't. Some of the other cars I've seen, they go far. They go the whole length. Was it Plaid or something?
Yeah, the Model S and X.
Yeah. Okay. So that's what we have there, and then I can show you also the trunk is exactly the same. I guess Pavel can confirm.
Yeah, it is exactly the same.
Exactly the same.
Same shelf and buttons for reclining the rear seats.
Yeah, the same. Yeah. Because excuse my noobness, I have become Bjorn. I don't use Tesla that often. Maybe I should. Yeah, after seeing this car, I kind of want it. But then they've come over here. We can check out here. So here, this is exactly the same as before. The seats. White seats, perforated. Are they ventilated?
No.
No.
Just heated. Okay,
just heated. Okay. Everything here is the same. We have the screen here. So, but the difference is in the front. I'm going to show you. I'm not sure about you guys, but at least for me and Pavel, we have short legs, so it doesn't differ much for us. But here we have a new button, and look how it operates. Oh, it's more like the Chinese cars. It doesn't have that breadcrumb collector like the German cars. But let me see here. How much does it extend? Well, I mean, it's decent. Does it extend? I think that's enough, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be enough. Not sure how long legs people have, but I mean, I usually have it in this position here. And then this is also different, because in the Highland and Juniper, or you know, the regular non-performance, this is fabric, but here it's carbon fiber. Oh yeah, it is a bit. It's not. I mean, what do you call it? It's not that flashy carbon fiber. You know, it's not the one that you can just scratch, right? So I like it. I like that it's just a bit discreet like that. And this is also new. New seats, branch banking new seats.
Oh, nice.
And then, Pavel, so how is it in your
Okay.
They
They look quite similar, but the side bolsters here are much bigger.
way more.
Yeah.
This kind of reminds me of the Model X seats that I had in the Optimus Prime.
And I think they have this black accent here. I don't think I have those.
Of course, you have
this,
there. Did they take off the plastic? It
Yeah.
actually has some texture here. It's not just the thing.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
So I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, but it has a little bit texture. It pokes out a little bit there. Even.
Yeah. The headrest is still has no adjustments.
Yeah, no adjustment there. But also
they feel
here.
very nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then we have to try door closing sound. Oh yeah. Still no. I mean, I'm used to Neo, and then I tend to do this, and then it doesn't soft close. Oh, okay. People are gonna hate me in the comment section now. But here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Super crispy.
so it has now 16-inch screen. It was 15.4.
Yeah.
So it's been grown bigger, and the bezels are smaller now.
Yeah. It looks a little bit different on the outside as well.
Like
more
here, right?
Squarish.
Let me see on this side. If you look from, yeah, I see it there. It was more round before.
Yeah.
You see here, in comparison, this is actually an iMac. Look at the bezel in comparison, huh? Tesla is actually better there now. I think it looks nicer now. Before, to be honest, it kind of looked like an iPad or a MacBook Air or something.
Glued to the dashboard.
Yeah. Now it looks nicer. And not only that, but the resolution previously, it was 1920 times 1200, I think. But at least the press release says that it has increased by 80%. But they don't say what the resolution is.
Yeah.
But when I try to Google about this, Cybertruck uses 2650 times 1440 pixels. And if I calculate, that becomes 80% more pixels, roughly. So that's probably what we have now. So I'm gonna try something here. If I zoom in, not sure if we start seeing some pixels or what. Oh, okay, there we have some focus problem. But it looks incredibly sharp.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. I think, Pavel, you might not notice any difference until you go home to your car.
Yeah.
And you'll be like, dude, you have I cannot see the pixels here.
That's incredible.
This is, oh, can you zoom there? I didn't know that.
We can adjust brightness a little bit more.
Okay, then I have to, okay. But this is, wow. I think by definition, this is Retina screen. If it has that high pixel count, versus the size of the screen or something, wow, it is incredibly good. And if you go here, okay, so I need to show you guys. I think I want to have it in the day mode. Yeah, just put it in. Okay, there. I think that looks better on video. But if you go now to, I think we have.
A cool seat.
It was on.
Turn it off.
Yeah, okay, and we can turn off this. Man, I almost forgot how user-friendly and snappy Tesla is. but okay, if you go here and you go to dynamics, so we have the acceleration, chill, standard, insane, And we also have the regen, just like the, well, but you have chill and
Yeah, I have chill and standard.
Okay, standard, okay.
Yeah.
They don't call it sport.
No, I think it's called standard.
Okay. And then, but here, this is the one. Standard and sport. And it's supposed to change the suspension feel, everything, just like in the,
Highland.
Yeah. Yes, the Model 3. And I think that's pretty much it. And track mode is not here yet. It will come later. When it comes to pulling, if you pull trailer, it's still 1600 kilograms. And then you probably want to see here, and then additional, So I think there's nothing new here.
Looks quite the same as on mine.
Yeah, except for that, Tesla, they claim that they have a new motor that is more powerful, but more efficient. It's like the ABRP 550 motor from VAG. So I wonder if they're going to use this motor also in the other cars, if it's more efficient. And then other than that, I don't think, all this stuff here. I don't think anything else here is different. It's more or less the same. But here also, so if we do this, if you switch here, 60%, okay, there might be some round-off error here, but when I did the math, if you charge 100%, because this is not GOM-based, it's like a flat, whatever, fixed rate, it should be 480 kilometers. But Powell, you probably get 505 kilometers.
Yeah, I get a little bit over 500 on my Model Y.
Yeah. And then when it comes to here,
but it's on 19-inch wheels.
He gave up the 21.
Yeah.
But Powell already tried to go into the service mode, and it's not possible because the car is in showroom mode. And at least we don't feel like poking into the OBD there, since Tesla is sitting over there. But I also asked them about the battery. It has been improved, higher energy density. So I don't know, probably a couple of more kilowatt hour. Yeah. And then we might get to see 250 kilowatt for 2 seconds. Then.
Yeah.
Instead of
maybe 3.
Yeah. Have you seen it in your car?
No, I haven't tested that much yet.
Okay. And you see here, we also have the leg extender for the passenger. And the beauty with this is that you can save it in the memory, you know? Well, I mean, okay, well, Tesla doesn't have the memory for the passenger seat, but guess what? If you buy the enhanced products, like sexy button, sexy knob, whatever, you can then, well, actually, you can just get away with the commander even. You can then get seat memory for the passenger and lots of other features. So yeah, highly recommended to get the enhanced if you get a Tesla. So there you guys have it, the new Model Y performance. And okay, it's supposed to do 0 to 100 in 3.5 seconds. I've tested the all performance, measured 3.7, which is right on spec. So this is supposed to be 2 seconds faster. But you know, when it comes to the Model 3 performance, the improved performance there, you need to have the Panasonic battery from Fremont, and then in Europe you get the Shanghai, not sure if it's LG battery. So then you don't get that claim in the Model 3, but here they have a new battery, so hopefully we get the 3.5 second, and that's only based on, how much was it again? Only 400, hur många hästkrafter var det på den här?
400.
Only 460 horsepower and 3.5 seconds. A BMW i4 M50 has 544 horsepower and does 0 to 100 in 3.9 seconds. How is it possible? Because Teslas are light, probably weighs around 2 tons only versus 2.4 tons in the BMW. So yeah, I can't wait to test it. Press cars will come soon. Actually, this car you see now is a press car. They're going to register it with Norwegian license plate soon, and then yeah, they'll start lending it out. And yeah, I really want to try this red. The camera cannot catch the color, but it's just really nice ultra red, or whatever it's called again. Is it ultra red? Yeah, it's ultra red. Yeah, it's nicer than the Millennium Falcon red. I don't know what it's called again, that one. But anyway, I think that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.